Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel, and today I'll be explaining about Agile principles and what Agile process is. So Agile is a software development process model that focuses on flexibility, customer collaboration and continuous improvement. So we'll understand what software development process is first. Software development process is nothing but if you have some software to be built, so it doesn't build on its own or it won't build in one day. It needs some time, right? So that time is called as process. So software development process, that process is known as software development process that focuses on flexibility, customer collaboration and continuous improvement. So these are the feature of agile process. So instead of developing the entire software at once, so instead of developing a complete software at once, it will divide the project into sub tasks. That is, if you want to build a library management system or if you want to build a delivery app, first it will build web interface, next it will build database. It's like that. So instead of developing entire software at once, it divides the project into small iteration, that is sprints. You have to keep this in mind. Sprints usually lasting 2 to 4 weeks. Okay, so it will be divided into subtasks. It will be 2 to 4 weeks. There are 12 agile principles. This is very important from exam point of view. So that is customer satisfaction. First is customer satisfaction. So if any software product is developed, it is very important that customer is satisfied. If customer is not satisfied, it's waste of development. So customer satisfaction through early and continuous delivery of valuable software. Welcome changing requirements. So if a customer gives a project to be done, if he says to build a banking application, there will be change of requirements, like he needs web page, he needs login page, he needs some other authentications and all. So that will be the changing requirement. So this if the requirements change, product will develop little bit late. So even late in development for customer competitive advantage. So even if it's late, it will be advantage for customer. Okay, frequent delivery of working software in short iterations. So this is nothing but the small parts of software will be developed or it will be delivered in short iterations, that is one by one. Business people and developer must work together daily through the project. So both business people, that is manager or the team, and developer must work together daily throughout the project. Okay, next, build project around motivated individual, give support and trust them. So if there are any freshers in the team, the other senior developers has to motivate that individual to do the task or complete the task and support them. Next, we have face-to-face communication. So face-to-face communication is most effective method. So in software development, face-to-face communication is the most effective method, because if there are any chatting through text or any other media, there may be misunderstandings. So if the user says some requirements through text message and the developer understands it in other way, there will be so much of misunderstanding and final product will be different. So it is very important that there will be a face-to-face communication in team or with users. So self-organizing teams produce best architect and design. So self-organizing teams are nothing but they'll be well disciplined or they'll be self-organized. So it's like that. So they produce best architectures and design. Working software is primary key of progress. So it is nothing but if you don't have working model only, then you can't help it out, right? So working software is primary key of progress. Continuous focus on technical excellence and good design. So you have to be focused on technical excellence and good design. That is what matters. Simplicity, maximize amount of work not done. So this is nothing but if you don't want some work to be done, you have to avoid it. That is known as simplicity. Maximize the amount of work not done. You are avoiding the work that is not being done or that is difficult to do or that is not necessary. So next we have promote sustainable development with constant pace. So the developers has to promote the sustainable development. Next, team reflect regularly and adjust behavior for improvement. So if there are any changes to be made or any other criteria to be changed among the team, so they will have to adjust their behavior for the improvements. So how to remember 3-4-3-2 rule. Okay, so 3-4-3-2 rule is nothing but first three is related to customer and delivery. So customer satisfaction, so this is also changing requirements from customers only, and frequent delivery. First three is related to customers. So next four is related to people and communication. So business people and developers, project around motivated individual, face-to-face communication, and best architecture and design. So this is related to people and communication. Okay, so the next three are related to the product, that is software product. So working software is primary key of progress. Continuous focus on technical excellence and good sign. Simplicity, maximize amount of work not done. Okay, these three are related to product. And next we have related to process. So promote sustainable development with a constant pace. Teams reflect regularly and adjust behavior for improvement. So we have 3-4-3-2 rule. First is related to customer and delivery. Next four is people and communication. So next three is So next 3 we have related to product, and next 2 we have related to process. Hope you understood. Thank you. Like, share and subscribe to my channel.